I'm Prajakta Nair. I'm a manual therapist. I'm the director at Indu Advanced Physiotherapy Clinic in Aurangabad since 2000. Today I'll be speaking on one of the core muscle which is in the front of your stomach, that is the transversus abdominis. Now this muscle is in the front, okay, so its main function is to create intra-abdominal pressure. So when this intra-abdominal pressure is maintained, it gives a very good support to your disc and your spine. So you won't land up in any type of disc lesions and any spondylotic pain. So now what are the reasons why this muscle has to be activated or why this is deactivated? Now sitting for longer periods makes this muscle weak. Then non-exercising also makes this weak. Then visceral fat which is there, that also causes this muscle to get weak. Many times many surgeries are performed on the stomach. It's very common C-section or appendix operations. So all these leads to inhibition of this muscle. So now we will be seeing a simple exercise how to activate this muscle. So now we have to lie down with the hip and knee bent. You can place a stool or a Swiss ball. Now in this position we have to take a towel roll. Now this towel roll, it has to be placed at the lumbar region, at the low back region. Now we have to take a deep breath, and while breathing out we have to concentrate on our belly button and we have to pull it inside and relax. So while pulling the belly button inside, our spine should press the towel which is there down. So take a deep breath. While breathing out, he has to take his belly button inside. It should not be forceful, it should be gradual. So now this is the, to begin with, you can go for 25 to 50 repetition of this exercise just to activate this muscle, which is the internal belt that will support your full body. Now if this muscle is weak, what will happen? Your diaphragm will be tight. Okay, so diaphragm will be tight, it won't descend down. So now when the diaphragm won't descend down, your accessory muscles in the neck, they will help in respiration. So you will have neck pains. Now when the diaphragm won't descend down, what will happen? The low back will be affected, no intra-abdominal pressure will be created and you will have disc lesions. Now when transverse abdominis is weak, what again the second consequence will happen? Your front muscle in the thigh, those will become tight. So when those are tight, you will have knee pain, heel pain. So many issues might occur. So this is to begin with. So once this core muscle is strong, even if you lift heavy weights in the gym or you travel a lot, you won't land up in any type of injuries to your low back and over. Thank you.